Kids, in the summer of 2023, we had everything. We had heat waves, we've had storms. Everything seemed to happen in 2023. Ah. But that sound never gets old. So I really wonder if this thing is on and if it's connected properly, because my loud pipes just sound glorious. Absolutely glorious. Anyway, last time I did a video about this device that I'm using right now, we had a storm coming in and I wasn't able to just get on the bike and ride it for too long. I didn't know exactly if I was going to be caught in the storm or not. But anyway, that's past. I did promise that if you guys, what the hell? That was a hybrid as well. Anyway, I did promise that if you guys subscribe, I will make a follow-up video. Oh, in which I'm testing it on the bike, so you guys can just, oh my god, this road is terrible. Just so you guys can get a glimpse of how this thing is working. That guy didn't wave. What a douche. I didn't wave either. Anyway, it's one thing when you get, written reviews and whatever, and it's another thing when you actually can hear some footage, some recordings rather. So this is how it sounds with very, very loud pipes. Like, when I got this bike, the previous owner told me that he has a set of quieter pipes. And I go like, all right, okay, but I kind of liked the ones that he had on when he gave it to me. And he said, yeah. I mean, these ones are a little bit loud, and the ones I'm giving you in the box are quieter, and you can go get the bike inspected and stuff. And lo and behold, it was the other way around. When I put these on, to my surprise, they're so loud and so throaty. They're beautiful. I don't know if the noise cancellation of the device actually drowns them out, but I don't think that's possible. They are almost loud enough to the point where they kind of annoy me. And you guys know I'm stupid. Yeah, fuck the lines, bro. He's on his phone. Anyway. Where was I? Yeah, I was at the, I was talking about the noise cancelling effect. It's really good on this thing, up until a certain point. And yes, granted, I do have a few advantages on my bike because my windscreen is rather tall. But all in all, I don't know, it's a decent device. And for the price, yes, it's a double thumbs up so far. Been on a couple of short rides with it. Nothing too big. Anyway, this is us sitting at a traffic light. Obviously over here it's gonna sound great. Ooh, so a lot of red lights in front. A lot of blue lights in front. Did anything happen? Like an accident or something? Or is the road closed? Because there are a lot of road closures today. No, no, it's just a closure. Ah, they're shooting a movie. Ah, what better time to shoot the movie than on a Saturday morning? Makes sense. Anyway, still, I have yet to charge the device. I've used it for almost, I don't know, 10, 12 hours now. Still didn't need to charge. Uh, it doesn't have a, as far as I'm aware, it does not have a companion app to it. But when you turn on the device, it says, it tells you with voice the battery level. And ever since I got it, it just tells me the battery is full. So I don't know. So far, so good. What the hell is going on? Yeah, it's just my luck that I go out for a ride and we've got roadblocks and shit. See? Let the future tell the truth and evaluate according to his works and accomplishments. The present is theirs, the future for which I really worked is mine. Nikola Tesla. All right, that sounds appropriate in Bucharest.